have the Pixel 5a here. That's the box, the 5G and the Google branding on either side, and Team Pixel and some other information. This is how the box looks. Let's open it up. Oh, it's a little bit tight. Okay, let's try out a different method to open it. Okay, okay, there you go. That's your first look at the Pixel with the Google G branding at the back. Let's take the phone out and let's set it aside for a minute. Let's see what we have in the box apart from this. That's the SIM card ejector. Okay, this is some bunch of paperwork. Okay, that's the charger. Since you get it only in US, it's a flat pin, and it is a Type-C adapter. The other side you see a adapter for OTG, and that's a Type-C to Type-C cable that comes along with the box. I think this will be the last Pixel that ever comes in with a charger brick. Let's take a look at the phone. Okay, we have to savor this moment a bit. Okay, so the phone looks okay. Wow, the satisfaction that you get in peeling that off. Okay, this is how it looks after it is done. Very sleek phone, nothing too fancy. Let's power it up. Yeah, and there you have it. That's the Pixel 5a.